If you are a traveler, mountaineer, or bike enthusiast, then you always have to take your favorite Insta360 One X2 wherever you move. Because of its amazing portability and features, you can always carry this smart camera with ease. But to enhance its potential to the highest level, you can get a bunch of accessories which will help you to capture your precious moments more efficiently. In today's video, we are going to show you the 5 best accessories that you should get for your Insta360 One X2 that can elevate your videography skills. So without any further waiting, let's dive into the video. Capture real-time action with the Insta360 Bullet Time Cord, a smart action camera gadget that shoots video with ease and delivers perfection for everyday use. It features a handheld retractable 43 inches cord which helps to swing your Insta360 camera over the head for better video shooting so that you can get stunning footages wherever you want. This allows you to spin the camera overhead in bullet time mode, which not only captures video but also shows down its visual effects during an action scene. It also allows the audience to see high-speed movements with great accuracy. You can screw it into a thread at the bottom of the camera and can swing the Insta360 camera in a circular motion. It also has a rubber ring on the bottom that ensures the safety of your camera. The Insta360 Bullet Time Cord lets you take amazing videos on the go, with more details and less hassle for an enhanced videography experience. Control your One X2 from a distance by using a GPS Smart Remote, a unique accessory that adds a way to control your camera wirelessly. This GPS Smart Remote features camera control functionality with GPS data recording, which measures speed, altitudes, and directions for a better 360-degree tracking option for your outdoor trips. This remote's display shows clip record duration and battery level, as well as GPS and Bluetooth connection strength. It comes with an 800 mAh lithium-ion battery that will give you a full day of battery life, so you don't have to worry about charging it, rather focus more on your journey. With one-touch upload to Google Street View, put your expeditions on the map and show the world about your journey. You can mount this remote onto a selfie stick or on your wrist with the included strap so you can easily access maps and other commuting information on the go. If you want to track your trekking or cycling records from a far distance, then the GPS Smart Remote for Insta360 fulfills your ultimate buying needs. Record high-quality audio with a mic adapter for Insta360 One X2, which captures sound with great efficiency for an enhanced audio experience. This mic adapter features a 3.5mm input support for most headphones or earphones so that you can record sounds on both indoor and outdoor location effortlessly. Its multifunctional accessibility allows you to connect an external microphone for effective audio recording. You can also keep your One X charged, as this adapter can also provide power. It comes with a clip-on design that can hold the mic adapter steady, even attaching to your shirt for a stable operation. If you want to record high-quality audio with your preferred external earphones, then you can get a mic adapter for your Insta360 camera that gives an immersive audio recording experience. Charge multiple batteries for your Insta360 One X2 smartly and efficiently with the Fast Charge Hub that provides enough juice to give you extended video recording time on the go. This fast charging hub features a battery charging station that can simultaneously provide efficient juice on up to 3 batteries and can fully charge all the batteries in 110 minutes. It comes with multicolored charge indicators where the solid red color indicates battery charging status and it turns green once your batteries are fully charged. This fast charge hub connects a USB Type-C port for a much faster and reliable charging for your Insta360 camera batteries. If you are carrying multiple batteries and want to extend power backup for non-stop video recording, then you can carry a fast charge hub during an outdoor campaign. Take your photography skills to the next level with an invisible selfie stick for your Insta360 One X2 that helps you to take stunning pictures and beautiful videos on the go. This unique design selfie stick will be invisible while you are filming or taking pictures on the camera for an unmatched photography experience. You can adjust the height of this selfie stick from 28 cm to 120 cm so you can capture photos and videos at your preferred angles easily. This invisible selfie stick can be loosened by rotating clockwise to unlock the telescopic rod, while you can rotate it in an anti-clockwise direction to fix the telescopic rod in place for a better and smooth operation. If you want to take better quality photos and videos, then you can buy this selfie stick for capturing unbelievable moments from any angle. So this was our list for the Insta360 One X2 accessories just for you. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.